In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting directly in Outlook. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your Windows computer. Once Outlook is open, head over to the Calendar section. This is where you'll create and manage meetings, so it's the right place to set everything up from the beginning. Next, click New Event or New Meeting, depending on the version of Outlook you're using. This will open the meeting invitation window where you can enter all the details for your Zoom session. Start by typing in your meeting title, make it clear and specific so attendees immediately know what the meeting is about when they receive the invite. After that, set the date and time for the meeting. Be sure to double check the start time and end time so your schedule is accurate. This is especially helpful if you're organizing meetings across busy calendars and want to avoid overlap. Now add the email addresses of the attendees you want to invite. Outlook will include them in the invitation automatically, so once the invite is sent, they'll receive all the meeting details directly in their inbox. At this point, look at the toolbar in the meeting window for the Zoom option. If Zoom has been properly added to Outlook, you should see a button labeled Add Zoom Meeting or Add a Zoom Meeting. Click that button to insert your Zoom meeting information directly into the invitation. Once you do that, Outlook will automatically add the Zoom meeting details and the join link for you. This saves time and helps avoid the need to copy and paste links manually. It also makes sure your attendees receive the correct meeting information in a clean, organized format. Before sending the invitation, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check the meeting title, the date, the time, the attendee list, and of course the Zoom link that was added. A quick review can help you catch any small mistakes before the invite goes out. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will email the invitation to your attendees, and the meeting will also appear on your Outlook calendar, making it easy for you to keep track of upcoming sessions. One quick tip before we wrap up. If you don't see the Zoom option in Outlook, you may need to install or enable the Zoom for Outlook add-in first. Once that's available, the process becomes very simple and convenient. And that's how to schedule a Zoom meeting directly in Outlook.